Welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. In this video, I will show you how to design a pleated dress using Repsketch. We'll start with creating a new blank sketch by clicking here. We'll repurpose one of our existing dress sketches to expedite the process. Repsketch provides this extensive library of vector-ready designs created by our community. I'll use this halter neck paneled dress and drop the image on our canvas. So first of all, let's ungroup our design objects by using this ungroup option at the bottom. Since it's a paneled dress, we'll now remove the lines and convert them to pleats. Now we'll create the pleats using the Create and Edit Path option from the side menu. We'll create inverted V shape, which resembles the pleat on a sketch. Now, select the path to reduce the stroke width from this stroke setting toolbar. I'll now adjust the opacity to match the color of the dress. Similarly, I'll add more pleats to this dress, and repeat the same for the back design as well. To finish off, we'll now group our design objects and save the design. And that's it. Here's how Repsketch empowers your vector design skills in the most simplified manner.